Today, we will be talking about how to get Real ID in New Jersey. Let's get started. Starting May 7, 2025, you'll need a Real ID compliant document if you want to use your license or state ID to board domestic flights or enter certain federal buildings. If you already have a valid U.S. passport or another federally accepted ID, you don't have to get a Real ID. But if you usually travel with your license, it's a good idea to upgrade. In New Jersey, you can get a Real ID at any licensing center, but you'll need an appointment. You can either upgrade now or wait until it's time to renew your license or ID. The documents you bring are the key. For a Real ID, you'll need 3 things. First, 2 documents that show your current address, like a utility bill, bank statement, or lease. Second, proof of your Social Security number. That could be your Social Security card, a W-2, or a pay stub that shows the full number. Third, identity documents that add up to 6 points under the New Jersey point system. These can include things like your U.S. passport, birth certificate, or other official IDs. The point values for Real ID are slightly different than for a standard license, so it's worth checking the state's document selector tool before your appointment. Once you have everything, bring your documents to your scheduled appointment at the licensing center and you'll be issued a Real ID. If you don't travel by plane or already have a passport, you can keep using the standard license. It's still valid for driving and everyday identification, just not for air travel after May 2025.